After that, the Prabhu, the translator, said, it is Ekadashi, you need to walk. It is good to walk. I say, okay, somebody is sending him the message to me. By all means, no matter how painful, I will walk the Yamuna. It was difficult to walk, it is because the sand was so deep and I was limping. So after the Parikrama, 50% of this was healed. Yes. And then the next day, I started walking again and I got injured again. So every time I got injured, I came back to the camp and said, tomorrow I take auto. But every time morning come, I will still walk. There is no auto. There was one time that I could not walk anymore and I said, Radharani, if you want me to continue to walk in this situation, I only have 1% left. My battery, you make me able to walk. If you think it is better, for me not to walk, then you send me an auto. And 5 minutes later, one auto came by my side and said, Mataji, and there is one seat left. And I say, yes, thank you, Radharani. And that actually saved my day. And from now onwards, I will try to chase Goramita and Prabhupada in front. I try to chase as much as I could because the Prabhu in the temple said, you have to push beyond your limit until you are out of the limit, then you pray. And then to get strength. That is a philosophy that I get. In Singapore, we have a lot of philosophy. We learn a lot of philosophy. We cover all the Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam and everything, but it's all in the head. There is no practical like that. So this Parikrama, 30 years, every philosophy has become real to me. It became a realization to me, and it gives me meaning. What actually Bhagavad Gita say, what Srimad Bhagavatam mentioned and everything. And when I attend the Hindi, there was a translation, and I appreciate the Hindi lecture were all about Lila, Lila, Lila. In Singapore, we never get to hear Lila. So I read the Krishna book and there is no details. So I'm so amazed with the details over here that the Prabhu is able to give, and I feel that I can for once get connected to Radharani here now because I heard so many of her Leela in details, whereby in Singapore we don't have this detail. It is just overview, that kind of thing. So I truly appreciate the management and Istade Prabhu and everything for managing such a big event, and for 30 days for so many people. Every single thing I have no complaint. I am grateful. Whatever is very difficult, I take that as my new learning, that I have to unwind back all the comfort that I get from my country, and over here I always tell myself is tapasya, tapasya, tapasya. You have to do tapasya for spiritual advancement. That's what the Prabhuji telling me. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you. I know I can speak more.